Hello everyone. Today we are seeing the human digestive system. The human digestive system it is a complex system in which responsible for the breakdown, assimilation and absorption of nutrients from the food. In human digestive system there are consist of the two types of organs. One type of organ it is the eliminatory tract organ and another is the accessory glands. First is the eliminatory tract organ. The eliminatory tract organ consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. And another is the accessory glands. The accessory glands consist of the liver, gallbladder and pancreas. First is the mouth. The digestive process starts from the mouth. In the food particles is mechanically broken down and mixed with the saliva. The saliva which is secreted by the salivary glands which contains the amylase, and the amylase initiates the breakdown of an carbohydrate. Second is the esophagus. Esophagus it is a muscular tube which connects the mouth and stomach. Once the food is chewed and mixed with the saliva, then the food is entered into the esophagus. The esophagus is propelled down the food by the peristalsis movement. Second, it is a stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped structure where once the food is entered into the stomach, the gastric juice are secreted by the stomach. The gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid and pepsin, which is responsible for the breakdown of proteins. The food is partially digested into the stomach is called as chyme. Another is the small intestine. The chyme passes from the stomach to the small intestine. The most of the absorption and digestion takes place in a small intestine. Small intestine contain in three parts. First, duodenum, jejunum and ileum. The surface of small intestine is contain the small tiny finger-like projection is called as villi. The enzyme from the pancreas and bile are released from the inner small intestine, and which is responsible for the breakdown of carbohydrate, fats and proteins. The nutrients such as amino acids are absorbed into the small intestine. Fifth one, it is a large intestine. In a large intestine, the undigested food and waste material are passes into the large intestine. In a large intestine, the water and electrolytes are absorbed from the remaining foods and forming a solid waste is known as a feces. The last organ it is the anus. The feces are formed by the large intestine are temporarily stored into the rectum, and once the body is eliminated these feces from the anus by the bowel movement.